Today, I'll introduce the pin buckle. There are two types. The first one is the one with a tail clip. Second one is ordinary one, connect leather. With tail clips who look businesslike and high-end. Ordinary ones look more casual and fashionable. It's common style in daily life. There are both rotating and non-rotating buckles with tail clips. Like this one, it can be used by rotating on both sides. If I wear black clothes today, I can use black belt. The color of the belt can be adjusted according to the daily matching. If you are wearing light colored clothes, use light colored belt. It's equivalent to buying two belts.
Don't forget to follow me. Thank you.